Hello you guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna compare this two Bluetooth scan tool. Okay, one is the BlueDriver and the other one is the Kingbolen Ediag Elite. So the reason I compare these two because they have very similar price and should have a very similar function. So the BlueDriver is $113. This one is $99. The Kingbolen is $99. So let's open it up and see what's the difference inside the box. So let's do the BlueDriver. When you open it up, you got your instruction and you got your Bluetooth adapter. And the Kingbolen, when you open it up, have a little beautiful, so you have your instruction, and then you have a little pouch, a little case, and you got the device inside. So as you can see, both of them side by side. This one is more similar, it's more smaller, and this one, the Kingbolen one, is more thicker and it's a little longer, and it look better. As you can see, this one is just simple little plastic. This one is very light. This one is a little bit heavier. That's it. Even the casing itself, as you can see, this one look more nicer. And then they have a little case in here, so if you put your device in, and you can toss this around, or if you put this in the your case, your glove compartment inside your car, you can toss this around, you won't damage your device. So that's a very nice touch. I like it. And as you compare the two, even though this one costs $113, this one's $99. I would definitely, this one look more high quality than this one. That's for sure. Now let's go to the detail. This one is basically just a code scanner. You can scan code. If you find a code that your car have, is give you a link to some website that you can read more information on how to help you fix it. This one is, so this one, like I said again, this one have no bi-directional feature, and they have no service reset. Okay, so bi-directional is mean like you can tell your car to do certain thing, like let's say your window didn't roll up, you can do a function that tell the car to roll up the window, so you know exactly if the switch is bad or the motor is bad. This one don't have that function. This one is don't have bi-directional, but this one does. This one have bi-directional, and also this one have 15 service that you can do, like you can reset your oil, your maintenance, your TPMS, and a lot of stuff that you can do with this. So this is bi-directional and this does not, and this have 15 function, service function, and this one does not have. But this one, they do give you a link to Google or some other website that help you read more information, and maybe you can do by yourself. So but some of the stuff definitely you cannot do by yourself. So this one is basically is you got more money, more value for your money than this one. That's for sure. And this one costs more expensive than this one. So let's go ahead and plug it into tube of the car and do a scan and see which one is faster. Okay. So I'll go ahead and set that up, and we're gonna go from there. Okay. So here we go. I get both this connected. This one is using the BlueDriver app, and this one they're using the eDiag app from the App Store. So trying to connect to Bluetooth, and it does connect. Both of them connect. Now, so this one is BlueDriver, and this one is the Kingbolen. Okay. So let's try to do a all system diagnostic and see how fast this thing go. Okay. So both of them. Let me see this one. You have to let them scan first. Do a VIN scan. This one a VIN scan. All. So this one is not even scanned yet. So I'll let this one go first. Okay. Other. 17. Other. Not smart key. Other. Okay. Okay. So this one's already 9%. This one is just barely started. Okay. So we see which one is faster. Okay, now it starts scanning. This one starts scanning. This one's already 50%. Okay. So as you see, the BlueDriver is already head start. Got a good maybe 15% head start already. Okay. So as you can see, both of them, this one is simple. It just said scanning. This one, you have the graphic and you have the little detail down here. As you can see what they're scanning. This one is just scanning. That's it. So as you can see, the two app is really different. So I think this is more advanced than this one. This one's more simpler, as you can see. So this one's already done scanning, and this one's still 86. Remember, this one's already have a 15% head start, and it's still chugging along. And if you check out my review for this one, the unbox, you can see this one. I tried to use this phone to set it up, and it does not work with this phone. And this phone is a lot older than this one. So somehow it does not connect. The Bluetooth does not connect to this one. But when I switch the phone to this one, which is this one is more modern phone, it work. So if you have an old phone and you're trying to connect with the BlueDriver, you might not get it to work. But with the Kingbolen, it worked just fine with the old phone. Just to let you know. Okay, so this one have no code. This one have one code because it's two different car. Um, so this one basically you have no code, so it doesn't give you anything else than that. So when you click on it, it basically clear the code. But since you have no code, it's nothing to clear about. So that's it. That's all you get. For this one, after you scan, let's say I have a code for this one, you can go into it and you can go straight into reading data stream. So you select it, and then you're able to read the data stream. and they give you page after page of data stream, as you can see. So when you go back, and this one they have because this one have the bi-directional, you can do the test, activating, control the injection volume. You got a whole bunch of bi-directional tool that you can use to help you troubleshoot your whatever problem you have. Control the fuel pump duty, control the fuel pump speed, all that stuff. And there's a lot more. This is just for the engine and the ECT. Okay, so if you click on, let's say you click on the body control module, they got more. So you got more actuation tests. See, door close, horn. See, they give you more. And then also you can read the data stream, which is very important. All your data stream is in here, and it's a lot, 7 page. So if you keep going, it keep moving, right? So you go back, and then if you want to clear the codes, go ahead and clear it, or you can clear from here if you want to, and that's just how good it is. Okay. So now, this is look like it's very simple. All you need is you got the code or not. If you got the code, then you can clear it if you don't want to, and then you just go back. That's all it is. There's no data stream in here. So if you want data stream from this one, from the BlueDriver, you have to go to live data right here. Live data, and then they only give you 5 function, 5 point at a time. So if, let's say I picked this already, but if you want something else, you have to go in here, and then you have to choose another one. The one you pick, the one that's supported, and then you choose different 5 that you want to see. And then after you pick the different 5, and then you go back, and then it show up here. Not like this one. This one you pick just one, and then you go read, and then it got a lot more. And then it got a lot more. And then if you want to do a graph, you can do a combine. And then this one support 4 graph at a time. 4 graph at a time. Let me see. I'll pick something that is actually have something. Right. And then you 4 at a time, and then you press OK. And then it show you a graph. This graph and this graph is, as you see, is a big difference. This one does have whatever the function is, and then the little graph. You can see this one is combined to one, and you can see it's separated here. They're separated. They make the data a lot easier to read than this one, as you can see. So let's go back. And also, of course, this one have the actuation test, which is bi-directional test. And you got more stuff that you can do over here. And this one is very simple. So you got the scan tool, you got the live data right here. So the scan tool is basically you just scan, clear code, you can freeze the frame, smoke check. The smoke check basically is just they scan mostly the one that require the smoke check function, and then they give you it like this. So that's it. And when you click on service, they help you do this, but they give you they give you instruction how to do it. Instead of this one, it would do it for you. Okay, you don't need no instruction. So this one is a little different. Okay, let me give you. Let's go back to the beginning. And let me show you how much function this have. Okay, when you go to main function, look, this is all the stuff you have. You can do break, reset, all this, 15 of them. See, as you can see, all 15 of them that you can do with the software itself. This one, they don't give you that option. The only option they give you is they might help you get instruction how to do it. So basically, you only get the oil reset and the TPMS reset. That's it. Compared to this one, it's a little bit different. This one, you actually can do it by with this software. So in the end, as you can see, both of them, it's not really. I mean, if I do the compare like this, it's kind of like it's not really fair, because as you can see, this one is more superior than this one. And the reason I'm comparing this to let you guys know is actually this one costs more than this one. So more superior, but costs less than this one. So if you find this two, sometimes it's on sale. This one $113, sometimes it's on sale to $85, and this one sometimes it's on sale to $75. But if you're talking about just the retail price itself, this one is a lot better than this one. So if you are in the budget of getting a scan tool that do most of the function, I would definitely go with the Kingbolen. There's no reason why to go this one. This one have a lot less function than this one, and also this one, the software is a lot better. It's very easy, and it's faster, as you can see when we doing the report scan. And I don't see what's the reason why you have to buy this one over this one, because it's comparing like maybe apple to orange. So because since the price is kind of same, and then you have two of them, both of them are Bluetooth, that's why that's the reason why I want to do this comparison, because some people they don't know, and then I'm not sure why a lot of people think this one is good. They have a lot of good review, but for me, I totally disagree. So if you want to buy a good scan tool, and if you in a budget, I would definitely get this one, the Kingbolen. Okay, so I have the link for both of this on my video description. If you want it, go ahead and get it. But this is just the review between these two, the comparison, so you can see with your own eye how work and everything is, and you decide which one is better for you. So that's just a little review of this tool, scan tool, and I hope you guys find it helpful, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.